finely sliced carrot, few amount of green onion and green chilies, red capsicum, white onion, and a bowl of glass noodles. When the oil is hot, just add the spring onions and saute it a bit. Now after, just add the red capsicum and saute it. Now add the green capsicum and stir fry a bit. Now add the thinly chopped carrot and the green chilies. Saute it till it's slightly cooked. When it's slightly cooked, now add the glass noodle and stir fry it a bit. So this is a very simple recipe for making chapchae. Now add a pinch of salt. After that, add a pinch of green chili sauces. After that, add a small amount of soya sauce. So when it's done, you need to add a little amount of tomato sauce. Now mix it well and you can enjoy the Korean chapchae. So this is the final product of the green Korean chapchae which we make. Next, let's move on to our next chicken Manchurian, which is famous in India. Same ingredients have been required: finely chopped red capsicum, green chilies, green capsicum, and stir-fried chicken. And now, when the oil is hot, just add the spring onions, stir-fry it. Same similar process. Add the green capsicum and the red capsicum and the green chilies. After it's been done, add the slicely cut carrot, stir fry it. Make it slightly cook. So when it's slightly cooked, what you need to do next is add the chicken nuggets. Now stir fry it all together and mix well with the vegetables. So let's go on to the next process. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Next, add corn flour with a slight amount of water mixed. Stir fry it. Stir fry until it's cooked properly. Where the chicken has absorbed the corn flour water. Now add a small amount of vinegar. After the vinegar is being added, add a small amount of green chili sauces. Similarly, add a little bit amount of soya sauce. You need to add it. So when it's been done, you need to add a small amount of tomato sauce. Now mix it well and stir fry for around 2 to 3 minutes, and your chicken Manchurian is done. So now let's move into our Indian traditional food, Aloo Parantha. This is known as Aloo stuffed roti or Aloo stuffed flatbread. So the final products are Korean Chapchae. Next is the chicken Manchurian. Next is the Aloo Paratha. You can enjoy it with a small amount of tomato sauces. So this is your final product. Hope you guys enjoyed and kindly like and subscribe my channel.